Dave here, and is your family interested in an entire home transformation? Does your family need more space? If you live in New Jersey and you're interested in expanding your home, you need more space, and you want to have a complete home transformation, let's take a look at what we have to offer. I'm Dave Pangione, and my company, Pangione Developers, specializes in entire home transformations in New Jersey. Right now, we're standing in an entire home transformation in New Jersey. We handle the entire process from beginning to end, the plans, the permits, dealing with the building department, entire home transformations, one call, one contractor. We handle it all. So let's talk about your family. Is your family in need of more space? Do you have a Cape Cod, a ranch, a split level, or even a colonial style home you've outgrown? Or perhaps you're looking to buy a home, a fixer-upper, and make it your own? Well, this is where we step in. We're a one call, one contractor service. We handle everything from start to finish. From the beginning, we start with the design process. We sit side by side with our customers and create the perfect floor plans, the perfect open floor, second floor with additional bedrooms, bathrooms, the entire outside. We offer the curb appeal package. All that is part of our design and build process. When the transformation begins, our process is completely streamlined from start to finish. We have everything completely organized for our homeowners. They're completely aware of everything that's taken place as we move along and progress through the project. Don't just take my word for it. Read our reviews on the Better Business Bureau review site. We have a whole page set up. We are AAA rated, BBB accredited business in New Jersey. Read the reviews that our customers left for us. Now keep in mind, these are not just reviews based on little kitchens or bathrooms. These are all entire home transformations. We let our customers do the talking for us. You have to read these reviews. They really are amazing. On top of our Better Business Bureau review site, we have a website with over 3,000 pages, all complete information about home remodeling, entire home transformations, and plus we have a video channel on YouTube featuring over 1,000 entire home transformation videos, all filmed on location in New Jersey. So if you and your family are in need of more space and interested in an entire home transformation in New Jersey, give us a call at 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. If you want to email us, you can email us directly at info@pangionedevelopers.info. Again, info@pangionedevelopers.info. And our number one more time is 201-774-3733. Ask for me. I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You could also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.